Hello, everyone. This is Linda, and today is Thursday. I hope you all having a great day. Yep, it's all gloomy here, and it's been raining all morning, but that's okay because still I'm having a great day. A great day, yes. I had lunch with Jada. It was Grandparents' Day at school, and yep, Jada and I always have a great time together. Yeah. But listen, I want to say welcome and thank you to all of my new subscribers. Hello, hello. And to the ones who have been with me and we've been hanging in there with each other for a long time. Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit that like button for me, okay? So the first thing I want to talk to you all about today is the new trend that I have been reading upon that is going on in the world of gardening. Yeah. So it was in the summer, I did receive an email from this company, and yeah, I have been studying this thing and looking and reading and going over. And then, yep, I seen a couple of things about it on the internet. So I said, well, let me talk about it. Let me talk about it a little bit. I got wet, y'all, so I'm feeling a little bit. But anyway, so the first thing I want to talk to you all about is colors. There are colors, bright colors that's going on in the garden this 2019 season. So let me just tell you this, just to give you a little peep into what I'm talking about, is I'm sorry. One of my subscribers, beautiful supporter, I love her so. Her name is Loisann. I'm going to put her a link to her channel in the description box, okay? So I'm gonna link it to one of her videos where she walked through her garden. She already had this thing going on in her garden, right? So what she had is, the whole thing is to treat your garden as it is another room in your house. So what Lois has in her garden, she has like rooms, yeah, in her garden where she has seating area, and yes, there are colors. So she call it her red room, and she have a blue room. Yeah, I'm gonna let you see that. I'm gonna put that link there. It is beautiful. She have where she have everything like in the red room. It's red. She have and the whole thing is to have different textures, different patterns. Yeah, it's like just a whole new design, right? Out of pots, old things. Yes, like this. Yeah, old things. So just keep looking over here. I'm gonna be throwing up pictures periodically, and you can see what I'm talking about. So it's all about hanging pots and pots that where you grow on walls, yeah, with different textures and colors and words. Yeah, so it's not like it's all new and you got to go out and buy all kinds of new things. Mainly it's like DIYs, do your own thing, and just put your own stamp on it, right? Yeah, so it's just a whole new design of your thoughts coming out in your garden. Yeah. Also, what's new is coming up in gardening is dwarf plants, or um, small plants. So one plant that I'm really looking for is this baby right here. And this plant is called a baby bell. So I've been looking for the seeds for that. And once I find it, yep, I'm gonna get that seed. It's a baby bell tomato. Yeah, look at that thing. Yeah. So, and it's all about the urban gardener, which like doesn't have a lot of space. And that is the trend, is that they are finding more and more gardeners with small areas. Back in the day, you had to have all of this land to enjoy fresh vegetables, herbs, fruits. But now you do not. You do not need a whole lot of land, so we can make it work. Yes, we can make it work. So those are the trends: colors, patterns, design, and yeah, using old something that was made for one thing, but you made it to do something else. Yeah. And all of these beautiful pictures here is some of an idea of the new trends that's going on in the garden world. Yes. So that is the one that I said I was in, but not too deep. I am in because there are some things that I'm going to do in my garden, especially for seeding area. When I have company come to my garden, we can really relax and enjoy the garden and have all these beautiful colors and have this wonderful feeling of nature and inside, but it's outside. Yeah. Okay, so now the first thing I was talking about, and I'm all in on this, and that is about the Monarch butterfly. Yeah, this insect is having problems, and she's having problems with eating and laying her eggs because the food that she eats is being annihilated. Yeah. So the routes that the Monarch butterfly takes, and she knows these routes. These butterflies knows these routes and where the food is available, the milkweed. It is being just chopped down, cut down, and they are having hard time finding it, and they need this plant in order to have the energy to migrate where they need to go. Yes. So some monarch butterflies will go and migrate in California, and some will migrate in Mexico, and some that is here in the southern states, some of them do not leave at all. Yes. So there is a man, and I'm gonna put his name right here because I forgot his name. He did this study. He is from L.S.U, and he was saying that here in New Orleans area, the monarch butterflies flies and migrate to Mexico, and we could go between October and December and watch many butterflies fly across the lake to migrate. And he even gave us a great location, and that is I-10 and Causeway, and I know exactly where that is. Yes. So I'm going to try my best to get there. Yeah, I'm going to get there so I can see what's going on. I would love to see that. But in order for these butterflies to do that, they need that milkweed. They need energy. They need that energy. So I have devoted part of my garden for not only the monarch butterfly, but yes, the monarch butterfly is first on that list. But this butterfly garden is for hummingbirds and bees and all these wonderful, beautiful, beneficial insects. Now, I don't know any gardener that does not like nature, because we need these insects. The beneficial insects, we need these insects. So because we need them, we need to feed them. We need to feed them. So, and listen, I'm not telling nobody, get you a butterfly garden in your garden. I'm not saying that. What I am saying to you all is, this is what you are going to be seeing here in my garden. I'm not asking anybody to do anything but watch me. Yes. So with that, I tell you what I've done. I have ordered, Well, I got my first order in yesterday. I have ordered a lot, but I did get my first order in yesterday, and I'm going to show you some of the seeds that I received, okay? So the first one I received is this one. Yep, it's a milkweed. Yeah, got that one. So I ordered more flowers, of course, but also I have more milkweed from this one. And I have some more wildflower mix, but this is fragrance flowers because I want flowers that produces nectar as well as pollen. Yes. And this is for not only the honeybees, but for the bumblebees and for the new friend I just found out about. He may be mean, but you know, the carpenter bee. Yes. And I also ordered this one, to see. And that is such a pretty flower. Will you look at that? See, can I really get it good for you to see it? That is so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah. So anyway, guys, so that is what I wanted to tell you all about is how we can help and help these beneficial insects, especially the monarch butterfly. And monarch butterflies are being called the king of the butterflies simply because of how they migrate. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think about it. And I'm going to put some links down so you can read about it too. Yeah. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Later, y'all. I'm so looking forward to it.